Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change the name of your iPhone. This name you have, for example, in Bluetooth or AirDrop or something else. How can you change it? That is, you have no idea, not the name of your iCloud, but the name of your iPhone. For this, you just go to the iPhone settings and then go a little lower here. You select the item, General, then here you click About, and here you have a button. Name, you click on it, and here you can specify a new name and the name of your iPhone. Then click on the button, Done, and everything is saved and the new name is set. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. The method is relevant in 2024. Done. Nothing complicated. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.